Meta glasses. I treated myself to some Meta glasses. My sister Erica, aka Miss International, you can also check her out at Cordessa Travel on Facebook. And I am Erica Miller. She sent these to me like 2 years ago on TikTok, and I'm not gonna lie, they were out of my range for that current season. But I caught them on sale. These are, I think these might be genuine. So I'm just gonna unbox them. I know they're not gonna take the place of my Pixel. If you got a Pixel, you know. I know they're not gonna take the place of my G7X. G7X is still a GOAT in 25. It's still a pretty good, decent vlog camera. I know it's not gonna take the place of those things. Or Randall's Pixel, what do you have? You have a Pixel 8. I have a Pixel 9a. Honestly, this isn't about that. I'm trying to stay on topic, but get the 10. If you're undecided, if you're a content creator, get the 10. So this is the charging thing. Like they said, that it comes in, it lights up, and these are the glasses, y'all. I got them in the transition lenses. So let's see how they look on. I'm just gonna try them on. How they look on me. I look like Spider Lady, huh?
Yeah.
So I think the next thing I have to do is I have to scan to get started. And I think what I'm gonna have to do, and it looks like the transition lenses are already like transitioning on.
Yeah. They're
not going completely clear. We live in Florida, so for me, it doesn't make sense. And these are a good fit. Because I was worried about that. I was worried about them sliding down my face because I don't have time for that. So let's see how this works. And if I'm able to, oops. No, I don't want to do it. I just want to set up the device. It's got me connected as my social media account. So my Meta account. It shows up with your face in your Meta account. So that's cool. I'm already logged into everything. Nearby devices. I think, let's see, I'm gonna turn my Bluetooth on. And I'm gonna allow it to find. So they've got Oakleys now. They've got all sorts. I'm just gonna go ahead with the Ray-Ban Meta. So it's saying the blue, turn the blue LED. Protective tab. I think that was already done. So I think for 5 seconds, is that what it's saying? Oh, leave the glasses in the case. Okay. Alright. So you leave them in the case. It's turning like an orange color. It's saying it'll turn blue, but it has not turned blue. Am I pairing a new device? It didn't say pair a new device. It just said Okay, they're showing up. RB Meta. So I'm legit confused. I'm just gonna Bluetooth to them. I'm gonna pair it because I'm not seeing it light up like blue. It's saying it's supposed to light up blue and I'm not seeing it light up blue, which is interesting. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong because it's saying they should, that it should light up blue, but I'm seeing an orange. I'll come back to you guys. Image these, but it's turning blue now. So I'm gonna go ahead on my phone and press that the blue LED light came on. I went ahead and connected my Bluetooth because I figured, I always have to connect the Bluetooth to everything. So yeah, right now it's just, I've already selected my RB Metas. I haven't named them. I'd assume that you could probably name, I'd assume that you can probably name them. I have not named mine yet. So I guess right now it's pairing. They're pairing. And I'll do a separate review for you guys. This just keeps going back. I'll do a separate review with you guys on this. This is just the unboxing. And just kind of like the initial, if I can get the glasses to do a video. Like I've already connected, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Oh, I had to tap it that it's pairing. I'm tired, y'all. I'm on only a few hours of sleep and we're in the middle of Christmas dinner. It's Christmas Day. I've had these for like a couple of days now. Okay, so it has successfully paired. Onboarding tutorials. Skip the tutorials. It's saying maybe they're talking about Jerry. I'm gonna continue to set up because I don't know. So I'm gonna put these on. Mine have a really, ooh, you can hear sound. What, Jerry? I look funny.
You got the Meta glasses?
Yes, I did.
Are those the ones with the screen?
I don't know. Alright, it's saying press the capture button. So, I don't know where that is. Okay, I pressed the capture button. Okay, so that's to play music, like you slide across there, I guess. I touched it once. Okay, it wasn't. Yo, you can hear sound, so that's cool. I turned it up, then you can turn it down by sliding. Okay, so these are gonna be very, and I can see my hair is already Alright, so it's telling me great job. I'm going to next. I'm gonna continue. I don't know if I want to turn on my location. Maybe only this time. I wanted to ask me every time. Okay, so we're doing that. Hey Meta, what's the tallest building in the world? The Burj Khalifa, which I did see the Burj Khalifa in person. How long did it take to build? Years and 8 months to build. Oh, that is so cool. So you can talk to the glasses too, which so now we're going to next. Share additional data. I don't know. Respect people's privacy. So that's if people see it flashing. Honestly, as a content creator, if people say don't record them, you don't. I haven't had issues with anybody, like my husband or I, we often record together. We haven't had issues yet, but occasionally you might have somebody, if they see the light flashing, of course, I was told that's kind of like the cue to let everybody know, like, hey, you're recording on the glasses. But I will say there's surveillance everywhere, guys. We live in different times now. There's cameras literally everywhere. Like, I know in our neighborhood, we live in a secured neighborhood, there's cameras as soon as you come in the front entrance. There's cameras where we do Hot Tub Talk Live. There's cameras by the bathroom. There's cameras by the pool. There's cameras everywhere, even by our trash can. So I'm done. Connect music apps, hands-free voice settings. So those are some of the next steps. I don't know if I have Amazon and Spotify on my phone yet, because this phone is still fairly new to me. I had to get an upgrade from my 9A because something happened with my 8. I miss my 8 though. Let's see, do this later. I think I'm a language and voice, health connect. I mean, I felt like Meta understood me when I was talking. Notifications. Sheesh. I'll allow it. If it gets annoying, I'll turn it off. So yeah, now it has the gallery. I think import starting soon. So I think that was when I first put the glasses on. It is a snug fit for the most part. I'm just having a little bit of slide. Nothing, I could look down and I'm not having too much slide. I would want to take them on a roller coaster. And we do ride roller coasters. So yeah, that's everything. Let's see, got it. Continue to have access. I'm gonna allow all access, and yes, I have a 4-second video already up here, so I will share that 4-second video with you guys. I'm gonna see. Hey Meta, record. So now I'm looking at Randall and I'm looking down and I'm looking at Randall. Stop recording. Hey Meta, stop recording. So now I'm looking at Randall and I'm looking down and I'm looking at Randall. Stop recording. So now stop recording. So I'm gonna go back to the gallery and see. I'm gonna let it import. It's importing when I was looking at Randall just now. And I can see the 12 seconds with him sitting across the couch from me. So I do like it. For someone like me, I need things that are gonna be more hands-free and kind of like being inconspicuous now. We are starting to kind of like get a little bit of recognition here and there when we go out to do food reviews. So I like just being inconspicuous. So I like the idea of these. Again, I know they're not going to take the place of my Pixel completely or my G7X, which I don't use my G7X as much since getting my Pixel, honestly. And I found the gimbal to be very cumbersome. My husband could not stand the gimbal. I don't know, it had a lot, the one we had a lot of calibration issues. So I'm looking forward to having the glasses for like when I'm cooking sometimes, when I'm out and about and I'm gonna do like quick TikToks. I think that's what it'll be best for. I will come back to you guys with an update and a more detailed review when I'm a little bit more put together and not functioning off of like 3 to 5 hours of sleep from Christmas. But Merry Christmas. I'm not sure how soon it's gonna get up, but I'll try to get it up relatively quick. Alright, later trendsetters, this has been an unboxing of my Ray-Ban Metas, and I'm really looking forward to using these. And again, I do have the transition lenses because we're in Florida, so I need sunglasses. Alright, later guys, later trendsetters, peace.